Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowing an Angel. Oh! Hello sweet cutie patooties. Well, tonight I am super excited because I am gonna be playing with this new cute palette. Oh my god. And it's by Docolor. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Docolor, but I saw it online like I think like around November last year, and they were having like an amazing deal about this palette, so I got it like for $15 I believe. And I was super excited because it's supposed to be a neon palette, which is this one, guys. Look at this beautiful palette. It's by Docolor, and I'm telling you, it looks super cute and super fun. And even the presentation too, I love it. It's super cute. This palette looks like a dream. It's so beautiful, and the colors do look very neon. So, and I kind of wanna do a look that image kind of like the presentation. So I think I'm gonna use a lot of greens and stuff. So. I'm super excited to do that because, honey, trust and believe, I think I have played with green, but I don't think I have played with that much green. So today's gonna be a cute green day. But it's not all. I actually have another thing which is by Docolor as well. So I got a neon brushes, and let me tell you, honey, those brushes are so beautiful. So I'm very curious to know, because I read a lot of good reviews, but I'm very curious to know if this palette is gonna work and deliver, honey. So let me show you the brushes real quick. Look at that. It comes with 16 brushes. They're neon brushes, and they come with 15 brushes, so pretty much like a full set. And I believe they're all synthetic, so there are literally like so many brushes. So we're gonna be playing with all these brushes. Well, I mean, at least with the ones that I'm gonna need. So stay tuned, beautifuls. Let's say no more and let's go straight up to it because I am super excited to do this look. Okay, cuties, I'm starting with my cute brows. Ooh. So be nice, cute, and gentle with them. I love this stuff because this stuff makes your brows look even better and poppin', as you can see. Now I'm gonna apply my cute primer. Ooh. And of course, make sure that previously you set your face, wash it, put a good moisturizer. It's always important to take really good care of your face before you do any makeup. Always, you gotta be very good to your face. This is one of my favorite primers, by the way. And I always like to set it up with a little bit of translucent powder in the end. Ooh. OMG, look at me looking super light. Okay, this palette, guys, honestly is so beautiful. I believe this color was the color name lime or lemon. That was the color lemon. Super beautiful. Look at that. Diva. Oh, that was that color called matcha. That was very cute too. And you just want to make sure you blend it, honey. Blend it for the gods. Now I want to make this look a little pointy, so whatever you do, like try to go a little bit like pointy-ish. And that's the lime color, which, trust and believe, honey, looks like pure lime. So let's make some lemonade. Oh my god, awkward. Oh my god, look at that. You see, I'm going a little bit pointy-ish. Now I'm doing the same colors here, the same colors that I used first, but in reverse, because I want to give it like a little reverse effect. And you see what I mean when you see it. You see, there you go. Oh, there you go. Poppin'! Oh my god. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. Oh my god, that was so beautiful. This color is called 24 carats, and trust and believe, honey, it looks like pure green pastel gold. Now for the highlight, my eyebrow bones, I'm using the Mercury. Very beautiful. Oh, this is my favorite pencils too from ColourPop. It is liners too, gel liners. This foundation is actually really cute too, very natural, very easy to work with. And let me tell you, these brushes, by the way, are amazing. I totally recommend you guys to check this website because they're always having such a good deals in there and good prices. And trust and believe, honey, now that we're in a budget, you need that. Ooh, OMG. Diva! Oh my god. OMG. Now I got a lot better curling my lashes because before, honey, trust and believe. Ooh, Aiko, one of my favorite brands right now. You know what? They have like good liners and good mascaras as well. Look, those eyebrows popping. Oh, and talk about the Ruby May lashes. Diva! And trust and believe, honey, I got a lot better on doing my lashes. Okay, now we put in the bronzer or the contour. Ooh. You know what? Surprisingly, dude, these brushes were really, really, really good. I'm not even lying. Love it. Now a little bit of the highlighter, honey. Highlight for the gods! If you don't see it from space, you're not doing a good job. Ooh, I love these lippy pencils too from Colourpop. Oh my god, they're so nice. And very creamy. Oh my god, aqua. And of course my favorite BH Cosmetic Metallic Lipstick Bomb.com. Little setting spray and now the big reveal, honeys. Okay, beautifuls, and just like that, I'm done with the look. And let me tell you, oh my god, I am like so happy and excited with it. I love it. It's super cute, super nice. It was super easy to work with. And let me tell you, those brushes were amazing. That palette was beautiful and amazing. I can't wait to play with the other colors because those colors were so pigmented, so beautiful, so easy to work with. It was straight up beautiful. I love it. Well, cuties, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh my god. Don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know any suggestions, what you like to see next. Take care. See you next time in Knowing an Angel. Oh!